Hello everyone, I am Irish Villarhe from BSA IT 2-1. In this video, I will be presenting laboratory activity number 2 for advanced web development. The goal of this video is to display basic information using PHP. So, before we start, what is PHP? PHP or Hypertext Processor is popular open source scripting language designed from especially for web developers. It is used to create dynamic web pages by embedding script directly into HTML. So let's start. Node++ and put that code and put echo and put my name Irish Villarhe and then put BR. And next, put echo again and put BSAIT. After that, put echo again and put Philippine Aeronautics. Then next, the ending of the code. Then find your file, save, and change your, hanapin mo muna yung XAMPP, then i-save, then i-rename mo, Lorhe, then put mo lang din yung Lorhe sa baba. Hanapin mo lang yung yan, ito, yan, then save. Then we will try to search our PHP if nagra-run ba siya kahit hindi pa nag-start yung HXAMPP. So, i-open na natin yung XAMPP. Yan, i-start natin. Then after nyan, pwede mo na ulit i-search yung PHP mo. Then yan, nagawa mo na ang PHP file.